Climate fraud. Financial docs show John Kerry invested in oil companies before joining Biden admin. New financial disclosures reveal that former Secretary of State and current Biden administration climate czar John Kerry reportedly divested stocks in oil and gas firms before joining on to spearhead Dear Creepy Uncle leader's green agenda. According to the newly disclosed records, Kerry held investments in a number of energy companies including Duke Energy, Cimarex, Dominion Energy, Exelon Corporation and Valero Energy. If it seems a little hypocritical for the newly crowned U.S. Special Presidential Envoy for Climate to have so recently been invested in, I don't know, oil companies, that's probably because, well, it is. As President Joe Biden's climate envoy, Fox News explained, Kerry will push policies that run counter to his personal investments before taking over the post. At the same time that Kerry held investments in oil companies, he also worked with climate groups the Rice Fund, where he served as a senior advisor, and Climate Finance Partners, where he acted as chairman of the advisory board. Axios, which first reported on Kerry's financial disclosures, noted that he was paid upwards of $125,000 consulting for the Rice Fund, a green energy investment firm. The financial documents reviewed by Fox additionally reveal that Kerry had between $4.2 million and $15 million in stocks at the above-mentioned companies, as well as over $5 million for sitting on Bank of America's Global Advisory Council and hundreds of thousands from Deutsche Bank, Zurich Insurance Company and MaidStar Washington for speaking engagements. While Kerry has been criticized for flying on a private plane while traveling to talk about the importance of reducing fossil fuel use, he is committed to a green agenda so far-reaching that he'd like oil companies to reimagine their identity as energy companies, as Fox noted. The Obama administration alum and failed presidential candidate, meanwhile, is married to an heiress, one of the wealthiest members of the new administration, and his own family isn't too far disconnected from the messy Biden family business overseas. He's as swampy as a swamp creature can get, and he's spearheading what could, if the Biden administration has its way, turn into the largest restructuring of the energy economy perhaps ever seen in world history. The administration, by way of explanation, is simply pointing to the fact that he is no longer invested in the oil companies. He is now being tasked with crafting presidential initiatives to radically transform the State Department, where Kerry officially works again, says he has divested assets that could pose a conflict of interest and signed an ethics pledge barring him from participating in specific policy-making decisions that could affect his former clients and employers, Axios reported. The State Department's Ethics Office reviewed Special Presidential Envoy Kerry's assets and investments upon his appointment to identify holdings that could pose a significant risk of a conflict of interest, a State Department spokesperson told Axios of the climate czar's previously held investments. Oh, I see. So it totally doesn't matter that he just sold his investments in companies that profit from fossil fuels now that he is supposed to be crafting policy for an administration that has said it wants to see an end to fossil fuels since he doesn't hold the stocks anymore. Yeah, no, totally understandable. What else was he supposed to do? practice ideological consistency? Huh. I doubt there is anyone who's holding out much hope that we will see much of that from the new, radical, almost shamelessly hypocritical administration or anyone else involved in getting America to the point we're at now. The swamp creatures have the run of the place now.